Welcome back. So we're going to go over some Harbor Freight deals. Of course, the parking lot sale is going on right now. I think today's the last day for Inside Track members exclusively, and then everyone gets a save this weekend, the 7th through the 9th. And then, of course, here are their heavy hitter ones that Harbor Freight is promoting. $4.99 on the US General 42-inch, $89 for this Pittsburgh floor jack, and $5.99 for this Predator 3500 watt generator. And then, of course, the Quinn. I've been seeing a lot of people post their Quinn hauls, 40% off entire store. 40% off Quinn in-store only. Quinn socket sets and ratchets. Of course, the Hercules corded power tools, 30% off. And then they're throwing in this pressure washer from Portland. But today we're going to focus on some of the brand deals because I think they've been relatively refreshed. Some of them are the same, but I want to go over them. Maybe my memory's just bad. We're going to go over them right now and we'll jump in. So we have BAUER. Get a free tool, buy a starter kit, $89. It's 5 amp hour battery and charger starter kit, but you get a free tool. Choose from up to 12 tools, save up to $109. So we will see all the tools that are available, and we'll sort this from high to low. Battery and charger, this is the starter kit at $89. And then the biggest bang for your buck is this BAUER 20 volt cordless 18 gauge brad nailer tool only. Then of course the 20 volt brushless cordless 7 1/4 inch circular saw tool only. The pole saw tool only, $85. Chainsaw for $80, although that's on sale for $54 Inside Track, so maybe don't get that one. Any that are on sale because this is a free tool. And then we keep going, the reciprocating saw, the speed compact router, the cordless string trimmer, and then we have the hammer drill, the impact wrench, the drill driver, the angle grinder, and the 20 volt brushless cordless 1/4 inch hex 3-speed impact driver tool only at $40. So those are the tools offered. That's the BAUER deal going on. I feel like they have this going on pretty often, but I saw some that I didn't see, so I figured I'd go over them all. Next, Hercules. So they have this deal, $89 for a 20 volt 5 amp hour lithium ion battery bundle 2-pack for $90. Seems pretty decent. But then here they also have get a tool free, buy a starter kit for $99, 5 amp hour and a 4 amp charger. And here are all the tools that you can get. Again, I'll sort them from high to low so you know which one's the best bang for your buck. And they have the Hercules 20 volt brushless cordless circular saw, $99, $80 for the jigsaw, $80 for the angle grinder, $80 for the oscillating multi-tool, $70 for the 3-speed impact driver, $70 for the compact router, $60 for the impact wrench, $60 for the reciprocating saw tool, $60 for the auto drive tool only, 20 volt brushless cordless 5-inch random orbit sander tool only, $54. So those are your Hercules deals. Possible refresh, I don't recall correctly, but these are still going on. And then this Daytona one, definitely here, but just a reminder, maybe you're going to buy 4 and you don't know that you can get a free stand. So it's buy 4 vehicle dollies and storage rack for $399.99. You save $170. Of course, it's $129 for each one of these dollies. And then if you're going to get 4, you might as well have a place to store them. $50 value, and you can get the rack. You're saving $170 if you buy them all together versus if you buy them separately. So that Daytona deal is going on. And then we have these. Maybe these have been going on, maybe not, but these ones caught my eye. It's get a tool free. So if you're buying a McGraw 6-gallon compressor, no, you can get a free tool. And correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think all Harbor Freight employees necessarily know which deals are going on. So they won't necessarily remind you like, oh, hey, you bought a 6-gallon compressor. You get a free Banks 18 gauge 2-in-1 brad nailer, Narrow Crown stapler, $35 value for free since you bought a pancake job site air compressor. So just FYI, if you're getting one of these air compressors, you get a free brad nailer. And then similar, buy a Fortress gas compressor and you can get any Pierce nailer for free. This is another one of those things where Wait a second. Did you know if you bought one of these, you can get a free nailer up to $229 value? These Pierce ones, some of them are very, very pricey. Again, just FYI. So the two Fortress, you have the 30-gallon, 175 PSI high performance gas truck bed job site air compressor, $199.99, $1999.99, and then the 9-gallon, 135 PSI high performance gas wheelbarrow job site air compressor, $1199.99. Now it does say you can't stack, and so maybe that's when people bought these compressors when they were on sale. But if you're going to buy one of these compressors when they're outside of a sale, just know that you have this option. You have this option to get a free tool. You have some 21 degree framing nailer for $180, available for $160 during the ITC sales. 18 gauge professional hardwood brad nailer for $50, on sale for $40. This 15 degree professional coil roofing nailer, $199. You get that for free. The 16 gauge professional hardwood and finish nailer, $99.99 when purchased online. That's very interesting. Another 15 degree professional coil siding nailer for $229.99, or the Pierce 30 degree professional framing nailer, $179.99, currently on sale. Oh, and the sneaky one down here, the 15 gauge professional hardwood finish nailer. So we have some brand deals that we don't cover too often that are going on. And then this one we've covered before. It's relatively new, been out for a little bit now. There's a 2000 watt power station, 1545 watt hour capacity. But what I hadn't seen is that the Predator 100 watt super light foldable solar panel is out. And maybe I just missed it, but I had been looking for this, hadn't realized it was out. And then as I'm perusing the Harbor Freight website, I noticed it was out. So something to consider: Predator, super lightweight foldable solar panel, and some brand deals at Harbor Freight. But of course, you still got a few days to take advantage of the parking lot sale. Let me know what you've gotten. What did you get? And we'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.